Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft account login error 0x80190001 on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's begin. Before anything else, this is one of the most frustrating login problems because it usually appears out of nowhere. You try to sign in, and instead of accessing your account, you're met with this error code that stops everything. Now, this is typically linked with issues with Windows authentication, corrupted system files, broken update components, or unstable network connections. Sometimes it even happens after a recent update, a network change, or when your device can't properly communicate with Microsoft servers. So, what we can do about this is I want you to go ahead and click on your start menu over here, then we need to go and type in system component settings. All right. Click on it. This will pop up a new window. And I want you to go click on the search bar over here, type Microsoft Store or just simply the word store. You will see Microsoft Store on your one system component found. Double click on it to reveal more options and choose advanced options. Scroll down. Now, you can click on terminate just to make sure that Microsoft Store is not running in the background before we proceed. Don't worry, this is completely safe. Click on it. Next, I want you to click on reset. As it says, if this system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system components data won't be affected at all. So first, click on repair. Depending on how severe it is, this might take a few seconds to a few minutes. Once done, you can also click on reset. As it says the same thing, reset everything and data will be deleted. So just take note of that. Click on reset. This will take much more time than repairs. So just bear with it and be patient. Now, once done, you can now minimize this, and we also have other solutions if this system still persists. All right. Go ahead, check everything if it works. If not, then let's proceed with the other troubleshooting steps. All right. I want you to go to your start menu, simply open File Explorer, then choose this PC, local disk C, scroll down, go to users, click on your user profile. I have mine over here. Then make sure to select view and show hidden items. Okay. So over here I have view and I have hidden items checked. So this will be different for Windows 11. Just make sure to find view and select hidden items or show hidden items. Okay. Next, go to app data, local, then choose packages, right? Click on it. There's going to be a whole lot in here. Just go to the search bar and look for Microsoft. And what we need to look for is, one moment, Microsoft is this specific file. Microsoft Store, this, okay? So take note of this, Microsoft Store. Over here, I want you to click on a local cache and then simply delete this. And in my case, I already have none here, so don't have to delete anything. Go ahead, delete that. Once you're done, you can now close this window and also ensure that it is also deleted in your recycle bin. All right. Next, again, go to your start menu, type services, make sure to run as the admin, click on it. Then make sure to maximize this window so you can check everything. Scroll down. We need to look for Windows Update. So here, double click on it or double left clicked and make sure this is set to automatic. So you can go disable this and then choose automatic. Once done, click on apply, okay, and it will update anything on your system. You can now close this. Next, we need to look for Microsoft Store install. So let me look for it. Microsoft install this one, right? Double click on it. Same, make sure it's on automatic, disable this, and then go on automatic to trigger any updates. Click on apply and then okay. You can now close this window and close services. Now, you might need to restart your PC so we can ensure that any changes we did on services will apply immediately. Next, we simply need to make sure that everything is up to date in our Windows. Click on the Start menu, just type in Update, click on Check for Updates. Then you need to make sure that everything is up to date. You can scan, you can click on Check for any updates to check if your Windows 10 or 11 is up to date and make sure it is so we can ensure everything runs smoothly in your Microsoft applications. Once done, close this and then restart your PC. Now, the next step would be to use any free VPNs out there. So go ahead, download a free VPN. Just make sure before you turn it on to disable your Windows security by clicking over here. All right, double click on there, click on virus and threat protection, and manage and make sure everything is turned off. So manage settings, turn all of these off. You can go back, click over here, and then you can also do firewall. Just make sure everything is off, all right? Now that we have done everything, you can now go ahead and try to log into your Microsoft Store and applications. By following all of these steps, you should be able to log in smoothly every time without this error appearing ever again. Deal with these issues or error anymore in your PC. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.